Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll dive right into setting up a museum collections management system in Airtable, your comprehensive guide for 2025. First off, let's start by creating a new base in Airtable. Click Add a Base, then Start from Scratch. This is your main dashboard from where you'll manage your museum collections. The reason we do this is to have a fresh workspace tailored to our needs. Now that we've done that, let's add some tables. Click on the plus next to the tables and name your tables as artifacts, donors, and exhibits. Each table will represent a different aspect of your collection. This helps us because it categorizes information, making it easier to manage and locate. Next up, let's customize fields in each table to capture the necessary information. For instance, in the artifacts table, you might add fields for name, date, origin, and description. In the donors table, consider fields like name, contact info, and donated items. This step is essential because it allows you to input distinct details about each artifact and donor, increasing the accuracy of your records. After setting up your fields, it's time to link these tables together. For instance, link donated items in the donors table to the artifacts table. This allows you to see at a glance which items were donated by whom. It's crucial to do this because it helps maintain a clear and accessible record, which is key in museum collections management. Finally, let's not forget to set up views. Views can be grid, form, calendar, or gallery, depending on your preference. This helps us manage how we visualize and interact with our data. And there you have it, a simple, efficient way to set up a museum collections management system in Airtable. Remember, the key is to keep your tables and fields organized and interconnected. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next guide.